Back on the 8th of April 2026, the cycle bridge over the Fosse Way near Offchurch in Warwickshire was installed. This was done under the HS2 Community Benefit Programme and is intended to allow National Cycle Route 41 to run over the Lias Line and the Offchurch Greenway, avoiding a section on narrow country roads through Long Itchington. I did some videos around that time covering the installation, and I'll link to those in the description. Later in April, the HS2 Public Relations Team ran a webinar online meeting talking about the installation of the bridge. They said that there was a need to install 2 maintenance access platforms in front of the abutments to allow inspection of the bridge bearings and possible replacements in 10 years' time. The other main job was said to be preparation of the approach paths, with the Lias Line side being surfaced with asphalt like the rest of that path. And the comment was that this work would hopefully be complete by early September, but certainly sometime in September 2026. Since April, I've been keeping an eye on work on the bridge site, and I saw the approaches being built up with crushed rock and a lot of drainage work being done. However, for the last 2 months or so, I've hardly seen any workers on site at all. Work seems to have stopped. So I asked HS2 if the bridge was still on track to open in September. Their reply was rather disappointing. I'll put their full reply in the description below, but the real nub of the answer is here. WCC, that's Warwick County Council, HS2 and Walkwheel Cycle Trust, previously known as Sustrans, have recently agreed an additional scope of works for more all-weather surfacing to be carried out. This extra work has meant changes to the initial design, which are still being finalised, and the reason why not much activity has been seen in recent weeks. We appreciate the anticipation for the bridge to be open for the public and know it'll be an important and vital link once operational. The current timescale now is expected to be early 2027. So, there's going to be more all-weather surfacing to be done. I wonder if this means improving the path of the Offchurch Greenway to the west of the bridge, which is very muddy in winter. I do hope so. So, unfortunately, we will have to wait until early 2027 for the bridge to come into use. So maybe by the 1-year anniversary of the bridge installation, that is by April 2027, we'll be able to use the bridge.